Hi guys, today I'm gonna start in this side, this long side. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it until here, but I try. So I'm gonna start the sanding the wall. As you can see, I'm already done with the cornice and also the cutting down as well. Now I'm gonna start with the roller. So this is the first coat and it's already been an hour. Now I'm gonna apply the second coat. As you can see, it already look nice, right? And this part I didn't finish yet because I'm already tired. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, including the kitchen. As you can see, I'm also done with the doorway, the last part of the living room, and this is the first coat. Later after 2 hours I'm gonna apply the second coat. Now it's still wet, the paint. And in this part of the living room I'm gonna reapply the paint because the color, as you can see, you can also see in the camera, they are not the same, so I need to apply more paint. See you later. So finally, this is the result of my painting on the 6th day of my painting part-time job. I've already also put the curtains and everything in place, and I finished until the doorway, and the only thing that I have left to do is the kitchen. And in the laundry room there is some part that I need to paint. And also, the owner of the house told me to paint the ventilation in white, so I painted the three of them. I detach it and then I unscrew it and then I put it back after I painted it. And there's also a ceiling outside. It's not so big, this ceiling that I need to paint, and that one I need to fix that. I need to remove the old paint and apply a compound so that it will be nice. So it's very hot outside to work outside this month here in Israel, so I need to wake up early in the morning to do that part. After I finish everything, I'm gonna show you everything that I painted. I am so happy because I experienced painting such a huge apartment just by myself. So stay tuned for my next video. After I am done with the kitchen, I'm gonna do it on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye.